Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create Instagram ads by using Facebook Ad Manager and only display your ads in Instagram placements. Before moving forward, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. So, to create a campaign where you only display your ads to Instagram by using Facebook Ad Manager, you need to create a campaign as you do normally. It will work on any campaign objective. Let's try with Facebook traffic. So once you create your campaign, you need to go with the manual traffic campaign. We don't want to do it automatically. And we click continue. So it will create our 3 steps of campaign level, ad set level, and an ad level. So what we need to do, we need to go into campaign ad set level. So here you can test different type of strategies. One ad set you can create only for Instagram, and the other ad set you can create only for Facebook. So in future you can understand that which audience is working well for you, and you can stop the ad set which is not working and use and increase the budget on your other ad set placements. So here, once we are in our ad set area, we need to go down into the placement section. And once you're here, just click edit and click manual placements. So in the manual placements, you will see all the placements which Facebook Ad Manager provides. What you need to do here, you just need to uncheck all those placements where you don't want your ad to display. You can just uncheck audience network, Facebook, and Messenger. So once you do that, now you will see only the Instagram placements checked. You can check here your ads. Once you add your ads, you will see all your ads displayed in Instagram stories, reels. You can also uncheck more placements where if you don't want to display your ad into Instagram stories, you can uncheck from here and you will only run your ads into Instagram reels. So it gives you freedom to run your ads in specific placements, because if you know that where your audience are, it's really good option to consider, and you can easily do the vice versa with Facebook or Instagram. In this video, I have teach you how you can do the Instagram placements and remove all the other placements from your ad, and you can do the same with you can create another ad set and you can only set it to a different placement, so it will run in the same campaign. So here, if we go and select the Facebook and deselect Instagram and audience and deselect Instagram and everything else. So it will only run on Facebook. So now we have two different ad sets, one only specific for Instagram and another one for Facebook only. So now you don't have to create different campaigns for each placement. You can do it under one campaign and manage those. You can also test those campaigns by using a A/B testing for 4 days. So it will tell you which placements are working good, and then you can decide which ad set you need to stop. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can change the placements for your ad and how you can only run ads using the Facebook Ad Manager. I will see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thanks.